Hello guys, today I am going to show you on how to remove someone from a photo by using Snapseed. You can download Snapseed for both Android and iPhone users through your App Store or Play Store. After doing so, just go and open your Snapseed application and import a photo from your photo gallery. And I have this picture that I got from Google. In this picture, if I'd like to remove the person in here, I'll just have to go to the toolbar and find double exposure and tap it. Here, tap the photo icon in the bottom and let's put the same photo one more time. After doing that, move the photo on the side so that we can see two people in here standing neat next to each other. The opacity of second photo is 50%, so let us change it to 100% through this one. And this time, let's start erasing the one person from the photo. So now, tap this one and tap View Edits. Tap here the double exposure and tap this brush icon. Now, zoom in your photo so you could see it well and try brushing the person. You must put more time in it to erase the details well. Make sure that have this in 0 so you could see directly its background. Also, erase the back side as well. And then, after that, tap Check. Here, as you can see, there are still remnants from the photo. To erase this one, tap Tools and tap Healing. Here, brush the remnants of the photo. And if you're happy with everything, go on and tap Check. And if you want to save your work, tap Export and tap Save. And that's it. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.